Hello everyone. Today's topic is properties of similar triangles. Now we are going to study that if we want to compare two triangles, so either they are similar or not. We are going to have some properties and rules on the basis of which we are going to describe and we are going to prove that these two triangles are similar. So let's start with property number one, which is A property. A property stands for angle property. For angle property, if you are given with two triangles, triangle ABC and XYZ, you have to see that if you have two angles which are equal in both the triangles, then you can say that both the triangles are similar. In similar triangle, when you are going to prove that these triangles are similar means that they are not equal in size, but their result says that their angles must be equal. Now I am going to explain. If you see triangle ABC and triangle XYZ, one angle is 50, one angle is 70, here one angle is 60, the other angle is 70. Third angle is missing, so the given angles are not equal. But when you are studying math, you should know that if two angles in a triangle are given, you can find third angle yourself. So if you find third angle by subtracting 70 and 50 from 180, you can get third angle, which is 60 here. And when you are going to subtract these two angles from 180, you will get this third angle, which is 50. So if you see, if someone says that two angles in a triangle are equal, it means that all three angles are equal. So we study minimum requirement, which is angle. So if two angles in any two triangles are equal, on the basis of this information, we can say that both the triangles are similar. So triangle ABC is similar. This is the sign of similarity. Now you are going to see that to choose the order of the first triangle is your choice, ABC or ACB, but the order of the second triangle depends upon the order of the first triangle that you have chosen. A, B, C, 70, 60, 50. So same rule will come over here. 70, 50, 60, which is Y, X, Z. So ABC is triangle is similar to Y, X, Z. What is the result if you have proved that these two triangles are similar? The result of the triangle says angle A is equal to angle Y, angle B is equal to angle X, angle C is equal to angle Z. Angles are equal but sides are proportionate. What is the meaning of proportionate? I am going to explain it in second property. Then the result says AB over their corresponding side is YX, AB over YX is equal to BC over XC and AC over YZ. Or you can write it like this. If you want to put the sides of this triangle in numerator, you can write it this way: YX over AB is equal to XZ over BC is equal to YZ over AB. This is the result that you get by proving that these two triangles are similar. Now I have second property, which is SSS property. SSS property says that if you are given with all three sides 2, 5, 8 and the sides here are 16, 10 and 4. If you see, all three sides are given but sides are not equal, but you have to figure out that where are the corresponding sides. The minimum side is 2 here, So the smallest side here is 4. These are corresponding sides. Now you are going to figure out. If you multiply 2 with 2, you will get 4. 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. You get it. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. You get it. So all these sides are proportionate to these sides. Or you can say all these sides are proportionate to these sides. Because if you divide 4 by 2, you will get 2. 16 divided by 2 is 8. And 10 divided by 2 is 5. So these two triangles, triangle ABC is similar to triangle ABC. Now you are going to find similar sides. The side proportionate to 5 is 10 and side proportionate to 8 is 16. A, B, C, 5 to 8. So here you are going to move 10 to 16, X, Y, Z. Now the result shows, once you have proved that these two triangles are similar, so again you are going to write that AB over XY is equal to BC over YZ is equal to AC over YZ, or you can write it like this as well. And the second result says that all the angles are equal in similar triangles. Angle A is equal to angle X, angle B equals to Y, and angle C is equal to angle Z. Now we will move to third property. A, B, C and X, Y, Z. If you are given with two sides, 2 and 7, let's say here you have 6 and 21, and angle is 50. If two sides are given and you can see that 2 3s are 6, 7 3s are 21, sides are proportionate, so only two sides are proportionate. If two sides are proportionate, this is not enough information to prove that these two triangles are similar. You need to have one corresponding angle equal. What is the corresponding angle? If the angle between these two sides is 50, then the angle between these two sides must be equal to 50. Then you can say that these two triangles are similar. So if you see both the sides are proportionate and one angle is equal, which is corresponding angle, so now you can say that triangle ABC is proportional to triangle. Now you're going to see the order A, B, C, unknown to 7, so unknown to 21, Z, X, Y. Now what is the result? AB over ZX equals to BC over XY, which is equal to AC over ZY. So these are three results, these are three properties to prove that the two triangles are similar. I am going to elaborate this third triangle here. If you are given with two triangles A, B, C and X, Y, Z, so if you see two triangles are given, let's say the side is 3 and 8 and here the side is 6 and 16, angle is 70. If you see two sides are proportionate here, 3 2s are 6 and 8 2s are 16, and angle opposite to 8 is 70 degrees, so you have the corresponding angle must be equal. 8 2s are 16, you have corresponding side which is 16, so angle opposite to 16 must be 70. Then you can say that these two triangles are similar. So it doesn't mean that the angle between two given sides must be equal, it can be a corresponding angle. So corresponding angle is, if this is opposite to 70, its proportionate side is 16, then angle opposite to 16 should be equal. Then you can say that triangle ABC is similar to A, B, C, 3 to unknown, then 6 to unknown, X, Z, Y. And you can write the result after that. Now we are going to discuss special cases of similar triangles. What are special cases of similar triangles? In Cambridge, sometimes triangles come, and you just by looking at the triangle, you should know that these two triangles are similar. So first special case is a triangle. If a triangle is given and you draw a parallel line inside the triangle, now you have two triangles, A, B, C, D, E, C. These two triangles are similar. How can you see that these two triangles are similar? If you look at here, these two sides are parallel, then you can write that this angle is equal to this angle. Why these two angles are equal? Because these angles are corresponding angles. This angle is equal to this angle because these two angles are corresponding angle. And this third angle is a common angle in both the triangles. Then you can say that in these two triangles, all three angles are equal. On the basis of this information, you can say that these two triangles are similar. Second case of special triangles for similarity is when you have two triangles which have parallel sides like this. Triangle A, B, O and C, D. Here, if you look at the triangles like this, you should know that these two triangles are similar. How can you say that these two triangles are similar? If you see, you have two parallel lines, BAO. This angle is equal to this angle. Why? Because these two angles are alternate angles. This angle is equal to this angle. Why? Because these two angles are also alternate angles. In these two triangles, two of the angles are equal. So on the basis of this information, you can say that both the triangles are similar. I told you earlier that if two of the angles in any triangles are equal, then this is obvious that third angle must be equal. But here, if the numbers are not given, how can you say that third angle is equal? If you see, this is a cross. So you can see that this angle and this angle, these are vertically opposite angles. So these angles are also equal. So when the question says that you have to explain why these two triangles are similar or explain how these two triangles are similar, here you are going to write number one, ABO angle is equal to OCD. Why? You have to write the reason. Alternate angles. Number two, BAO angle is equal to ODC. Why? With the same reason, alternate angles. BOA angle is equal to DOC angle, vertically opposite angles. So on the basis of this information, you can say that triangle ABO is similar to triangle ABO single double triple single double triple DCO. Order of the triangle is very important here. So keep this thing in your mind that you have to see that whether the order of the triangle is matching with the order of the other triangle. On the basis of this information, then you can write that AB over DC is equal to BO over CO is equal to AO over DO. That was the second special case. Now I'm going to write third special case. What is this third special case? In this third special case, triangles are formed like this. A, B, C, D, and E. If you see this angle, this is, if this type of angle is given, so this means that this angle ABC is equal to CDE. It's given in the question. But if you see, you have two triangles here. In these two triangles, only one pair of angle is equal. This is not enough information to prove that these two triangles are similar. You need to know that there must be another angle which is equal in both the triangles. So if you focus and see ACB, C, DCE, again C angle. So in both the triangles, angle C is common. This angle C is common in both the triangles. So now you have two pair of equal angles. On the basis of this information, now you can prove that these two triangles are similar. So how are you going to write? CDE is equal to CBA. Why? Because it was given. So you have to write the reasons. DCE is equal to ACB, common angle. So this was the requirement to prove similarity, that if two angles in two triangles are equal, then you can say that triangle DCE is similar to triangle DCE single double unknown. So here single double unknown, this order will be BCA. Now after proving that these two triangles are similar, you can write DC over BC is equal to CE over CA equals to DE over BA. So this is how we are going to prove that these triangles are similar, and these are the special cases in which you can prove, but just by looking at the triangle, that there must be two similar triangles.